The Hotel Monteleone is located in the French Quarter of New Orleans on the corner of Iberville and Royal Street, 1 block from Bourbon Street. The building has a grand facade. When you step into the lobby, you can really feel history. Its paneled walls and chandeliers and grandfather clock evoke a bygone era, but I wouldn't have it any other way. We stayed in room 1064, which has a river view. The ceiling is very high, which makes the space feel a little bit bigger than it is. The view over the French Quarter and the Mississippi River are a nice touch. Our room also had a comfortable king bed. There's a small desk with a menu for room service, a map, Keurig with coffees and tea. I think that the room is nicely decorated and carries over that sense of history. The TV is stored in an armoire along with a safe, ice bucket, and a couple of glasses. The bathroom is nice, granite countertop, stone-tiled shower and tub, and marble floor. Just off the lobby is the Carousel Bar. This unique bar is a New Orleans gem that I highly recommend visiting whether you're staying at the Monteleone or not. The hotel's prime location puts it close to all of the major attractions of the French Quarter, including St. Louis Cathedral, Café du Monde, and of course, Bourbon Street. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.